Hi students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to continue previous chapter, that is the rational numbers. So today we will solve some problems in exercise 1.3. So fourth one, divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So divide it. So which one is we will divide? The sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. So this one is divided by the product of the minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So divide the sum by this one. So first of all we are find out the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. Sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. So that is the minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. So both are prime numbers. Then LCM is directly we do the product, that is a 5 into 7, 5 7 is 35. Now 5 is a multiple which number, you will get a 35, that is a into 7. So numerator also multiple with 7. 5 7 is 35, 13 7 is how much? That is the 91. 13 7 is 91, that is a minus 91 plus. So this is a multiple which number? 7 is a multiple which number? You will get a 35, that is into 5. So 12 is also multiple with 5. 12 5 is 60. Now minus 91 plus 60. 91 having which sign? Negative sign. 60 having which sign? Positive sign. So both are having different signs. Then we will do the subtraction from bigger number to smaller number. So bigger number is 91. So 60 is the take out from 91 is the 31. But bigger number having which sign? Negative. So you put the negative sign. That is a minus 31 by 35. Next we will do the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. That is the minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. That equal to minus into minus plus. 13 1 ja 13 by 7 2 ja 14. Now what do you happen? Divide the sum of this one by product of this one. That is the minus 31 by 35 is divided by the 13 by 14. That is the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So this is also, we will write this like, that is minus 31 by 35 into reciprocal of 13 by 14. Reciprocal of 13 by 14, that is the reciprocal of A by B is a B by A. Reciprocal of 13 by 14 is a 14 by 13. So reciprocal of 13 by 14 is a 14 by 13. Okay, right. Now this is cancelled with 7 the table. 7 2 the 14, 7 5 the 35. That is next remaining. So here 31, here 2. That is the 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6. That is the minus 62 by 13 5 the 65. 13 5 the 65. So this is the answer. Okay, right. Next problem. Next fifth problem, that is if 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36, find the number. If 2 by 5 of a number, in a number So suppose there is some number is there. In that number 2 by 5 of a number, 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36. That is the, so here exceeds means addition, exceeds means addition or more, addition or more. So how much? 36. So 2 by 5 of a number is equal to exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36. So 2 by 5 of a number is equal to the 1 by 7 of the same number by 36, and that is the 1 by 7 of the number plus 36. Okay, so but what is the, we are finding the number, so you know that one, you don't know, so we take that is a let the unknown number, let the unknown number is equal to x. Now 2 by 5 of a number, 2 by 5 of a number is equal to 2 by 5 into x, that is equal to 2 into x, that is a 2x by 5. Next to 1 by 7 of the number, 1 by 7 of a number, that is equal to 1 by 7 into x, x 1 into x is a x, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 4 1 is 4, and also similarly x 1 is x, x by 7. So as per the problem, 2 by 5 of a number, that is a 2x by 5 is equal to so exceeds how much? 36. So that is the exceeds means plus, that is a plus 36. Now so here x by 7 having a positive sign, so this is you will send to, we are transposing to LHS. So this is a positive quantity, so positive quantity we are transposing to LHS, will get a negative quantity. So that is the 2x by 5 minus x by 7 is equal to 36. That is equal to, so here LCM is a how much? 35. 5 7 is 35. Now 5 is a multiple which number? You will get a 35, that is into 7. 5 7, this is also multiple with 7. 5 7 2 is 14. 14x minus, this is also multiple with 5, that is 5 into x, 5x, that is equal to 36. Now so 14 minus x, that is a 9x, is equal to, so by 35, this is a division quantity, so division quantity we are transposing to RHS, will get a multiple quantity, that is a is equal to 36 into 35. So here 9 into x, this is a multiple quantity, so multiple quantity we are sent to other side, will get a division quantity, that is equal to x is equal to 36 into 35 by 9. This is cancelled with the 9th table, 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36, that is equal to 4 5 is 20, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 14. So x is equal to 140. What is the x? So required number, that is unknown number. Unknown number is a x. Therefore required number is equal to, required number is equal to how much only? 140. Okay, right. Next, sixth problem. Right. So sixth problem is two pieces of length, 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 by 10 meters are cut off from a rope 11 meters long. So what is the length of the remaining rope? So in a rope is how many meters? So that is the 11 meters. So rope is a, how much total length is 11 meters. So this is a cutout. This is a cutout. So first two pieces length, that is a 2 3 by 5 meters. So this is the 2 3 by 5 meters. This length is 2 3 by 5 meters, and another length, second piece length is a 3 3 by 10 meters. 3 3 by 10 meters. So we are finding the remaining rope. So this is the remaining rope. This is the remaining rope. So how to you are finding the remaining rope? So that is the so total rope is 11 meters. Total rope is 11 meters. So suppose total length is 11. So this length is suppose we will take 3. This length is 5. So what is the remaining? That is so this 2 we are adding. That is 3 plus 5. That is 8. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is how much? 3. In the same way. So this is the sum of this both is 8. So first of all we do the sum of this both two pieces, that is 2 3 by 5 plus 3 3 by 10, and also this sum is subtract from 11 meters total rope. This sum is subtract from total length of the rope. So total length of your rope is equal to 11 meters, and the length of first piece is 2 3 by 5 meters. So this is in which fraction? This is a mixed fraction. So this is we are converting to improper fraction. That is 5 to the 10, 10 plus 3, 13. That is 13 by 5 meters. And next, the length of second piece is 3 3 by 10. That is we are converting improper. That is 10 3 is 30, 30 plus 3, 33. That is 33 by 10 meters. Now we are finding the length of the remaining rope. So that is a total rope minus sum of two pieces of length. That is a 13 by 5 plus 33 by 10. Now 11 minus. So first of all we will simplify this one. That is the LCM is there. In fifth table 2 will come. Yes or no? Yes. So 5 to the 10. So LCM is there 10. So 5 is multiple which number you will get a 10, that is into 2. So this is also multiple with 2. 13 to the 26 plus denominator and LCM same. Then we should take a same as numerator, that is the 33. Now 26 minus 26 plus 33 is how much? 26 plus 33 is that is 59. That is equal to 11 minus 59 by 10. 11 minus 59 by 10. Now so here we will take a denominator is 1. Next LCM is how much? 10. So this is a multiple with 10. You will get a 10. Numerator also multiple with 10. So 11 10 is 110 minus 59 by 10. So that is equal to 110 minus 59 is how much? 51. 51 by 10. Now 51 is a 51 by 10 is a improper fraction. This is we are converting to proper fraction. Mixed fraction, or 10 5 is 50. Remainder 1, that is a 5 1 by 10 or 5.1. That is equal to 5 1 by 10 meters or 5.1 meters. So the length of the remaining rope is equal to how much? 5 1 by 10 meters or 5.1 meter or 5.1. So here we put the point, we take 0, that is a 10 1 to 10. That is you will get remainder 0. So 5 1 by 10 or 5.1 meters. Okay, right.